Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
5-minute video on
the 40. It was a relatively short one then.
Yeah. I've been in the business about 50 years probably. I go back a ways, and LCN's always been my favorite closer. Then I got out of the business for a long time. Back in the business now in a small community up in way northern Minnesota. And I'm starting to get a lot of closer business. And I got a storefront with aluminum doors. They've got 40 XPs, and they've got a lot of the accessory brackets on there because of the narrow style aluminum. And I didn't know about the CUSH arm. And after I watched your video, I think that's going to be probably the answer for what I need on one of these doors. And your representative I talked to wasn't sure what number it would be, so there's a lot of different ones. I don't need a hole open, and I just need the CUSH closer arm, and then maybe some that I could use an instruction manual for those too. I don't know if those are things you have extras of or not.
Well, I mean, yeah, you can get a 40 XP with a CUSH.
Okay.
It's
the closers are good. They're up there already. But one of the doors, the metal arm's broken because the wind would catch it and wreck the arm.
Well, yeah.
The looks pretty new.
Yeah, you're obviously going to want to, replace what was there because of the templating. And
it's on a drop plate.
Well, true, but that dimension from the vertical axis of pivoting over is still something you're inheriting.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to look at an SCUSH, with a spring, you probably want to look at the template first to make sure that the area that it's going to start to stop in is appropriate for your application.
Okay.
But installation instructions are right at LCN's site. They've got loads of that there.
Oh, okay, and I can download it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. That'd be good. And
yep.
Does it take a lot more headroom for that push arm?
Well, what's the method of installation now?
I missed that. What'd you say?
How is the current closer installed? Is it a parallel arm bracket with a drop plate on the door?
Yeah, it's a parallel arm bracket on the drop plate.
Yeah.
On the inside, it's a left-hand door.
Yeah,
it's the left hand and the right hand, but it's the left-hand door.
Yeah, so putting a CUSH or an SCUSH on there shouldn't change that height at all.
Okay. And that would handle the strong. That would help handle the strong wind. Plus, I found out about your back check valve that's on the back side, and I don't know if those are open or closed, so I'm going to have to check that out, too. And that would probably handle my wind situation.
It would help, but it's not the right way to do it, naturally. The proper way is to have an overhead stop.
Right, which
that
I should probably think about that. Yeah, I might have to do that as well.
Well, what I mean is it may not be an option because of the templating, because not having the real estate to install it.
Yeah. Okay. What do those arms run?
Let me tell you.
Any idea? I've got to get back to the company and let them know what everything's going to cost.
Yeah, about $160 for the CUSH. And then the SCUSH, about $200. It's the spring, yeah, about $240 for spring CUSH.
Okay. Can you stock those?
Oh yeah.
Okay. That's what I need to know. I think that would at least alleviate part of the situation I got the problem with anyway. It'd be much better than the standard arm that's on there.
Oh, no doubt.
Okay. That's what I need to know, and thank you so much for that video. I learned a lot.
I look forward to earning that, sir. Thank you.
All righty. I will be getting back to you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
So, do you happen to have that part number in front of you?
It's just 4040 XP CUSH or SCUSH. The ARM only is all it is.
Okay. CUSH or SCUSH. And I'd want the SCUSH. Okay. That sounds great.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.